local news and events happening around town. Giveaways and lots of musty. This is Namaste Radio.
Every Saturday at 10 a.m. on 99.5 FM with your hosts Vanchika, Sushil, and Dolly D.
Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone.
Namaste Radio.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. और साथ में म्यूजिक भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa would like to Mother's Day. Come celebrate with us with a gift bundle. Get any facial, face polish, and eyebrow threading for just $50. Facial for just $30 only on Tuesdays in the month of May.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 12 noon to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Welcome to India House Houston. India House is a non-profit organization that serves the community by bringing resources, education, and services to Houstonians like health and fitness programs, language classes, charity clinic, and various events. Help the sponsor a program or volunteer for free food distribution at India House. Host your next indoor or outdoor events at India House facility, parties, weddings, or corporate events. Located centrally at 8888 West Belford, Houston. For details, call 713-929-1900 or visit indiahouseinc.org. Follow India House Houston on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
With spring comes a new season, new life, and a new hope for these uncertain times. Spread love, joy, and delicious Allings food. Whether at your office, home, or with us here, Allings spreads the cheer. Dine in, pick up, or DoorDash an exquisite meal from Allings today. Halal menu available? Visit allingschinese.com.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog. Different kind of unlimited items on the menu every day. All safety guidelines are being followed.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes be available hain. For details, call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty. Only at Maharaja Bhog.
The COVID crisis in India leaves the Houston community fearful for family and friends. India's need for oxygen is critical right now. It is literally the difference between life and death. Sewa International is organizing the shipment of oxygen concentrators to hospitals and essential kits to families, orphanages, and old age homes across major cities in India. Please donate at sewausa.org. For details, call Meera Kapoor 281-796-8455.
3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's up?
Baby, let's go.
Namaste. You're tuned in to Namaste Radio.
Namaste Radio. Namaste, namaste. Welcome to Namaste Radio, a special show right here presented by everybody here at Namaste Radio. हम आते हैं हर सैटरडे सुबह 10 बजे और आपको एंटरटेन करते हैं सुबह 12 बजे तक. Please follow us on our Facebook page Namaste Radio, on our Instagram page, and you can also listen to us at namasteradiohouston.com, our apps. और अगर आप हमें इन स्टूडियो सारी मस्तियाँ देखना चाहते हैं, सुनना चाहते हैं, प्लीज़ वॉच आवर फेसबुक लाइव ऑन नमस्ते रेडियो's फेसबुक पेज. सो शुरू करते हैं ये शो आज मेरे साथ और मेरी एक स्पेशल गेस्ट के साथ. मैं हूँ वंशिका और आज हमारे साथ वापस आई हैं माय फेवरेट पर्सन चारू पालकम शेट्टी.
Namaste Vanshika, namaste to the listeners.
How are you, Charu?
I'm doing good this morning. How are you?
I'm doing good with a little bit hiccups here and there. Show आके शुरू हो ही गया.
It's okay, we have started it. You've done a great job.
Thank you. So let's begin this show by thanking our presenter of the show. जिनके वजह से ये शो पॉसिबल होता है, जो हमारे स्पॉन्सर्स हैं, हमारे व्यूअर्स, लिसनर्स, सबको. तो सबसे पहले एवरीबडी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ट्यूनिंग इन. वेलकम अगेन. And this part of the show is brought to you by India House Houston. India House एक non-profit organization है जो हमारे community के लिए बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. And इस बार this coming Monday on May 10th 8 से 5 बजे तक they have free COVID-19 vaccination at India House.
That's
exactly.
Amazing job.
So visit their website indiahouseinc.org for details. Or India House is located at 8888 West Belford. And अगर आपको कोई भी questions हैं, आप 713-929-1900 पे कॉल करके कर्नल विपिन से बात कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स उनका फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी आने वाले वेंसडे को है, जो है May 12th को 10:30 बजे. Follow India House Houston for all details at India House Facebook page and India House Instagram page, and they are even on Twitter. and was Andy है, but yes, indiahouseinc.org. So let's do one thing before we get into our Bollywood section, जो आज हमारे लिए चारू लेकर आई हैं सारी बॉलीवुड की खबरें.
All the gossip.
So आज चारू ने काफ़ी गाने she's put together for us, and Mother's Day special भी है.
Absolutely.
So Mother's Day special के लिए आज we have put together some songs, and these are some songs that शायद मेरी मम्मी, आपकी मम्मी, हम सबकी मम्मी, मेरी मदर इन लॉ, आपकी मदर इन लॉ, सबको शायद
90 eras, yes,
पसंद आता है. लेकिन with the first song to kickstart the show with a lot of energy, let's start our show with this first song. ठीक है? Let's do that. उसके साथ हमारा पहला गाना था, तो डेफिनेटली आई वांटेड टू किक स्टार्ट इट विद
a bang.
Exactly, a bang, always a bang. So Charu, what's up in Bollywood?
Bollywood is buzzing with a lot of news. Uh,
With a lot of news, okay?
with a lot of news. Some good, mostly good. Everything is good. We're going to start off with, since we put Katrina's song, let's go ahead and start off with her. Katrina has actually started her own beauty line called K Beauty.
Oh.
Yes, and it's been a year actually, which
Is
I
it
didn't
K
know.
for cat?
Yes, K for cat. And it's been a year actually that she has started it, and I was totally not aware of it at that time. But she has started her line, and it has any other. It's with in association with Nykaa.
Right.
So she has like blush, lipstick, makeup, a whole beauty line to herself. And it's been a year, and not only with Katrina, but also you have Laura Datta, who has also opened her own skin line. You have Sunny Leone, who has also started her own beauty line, and also Lisa Hayden.
Wow, amazing.
So, yes.
So all these women are also working on a parallel income, basically.
Incoming, yes, absolutely. I mean, I guess they know that, you know, their time is going down slowly because of all the younger
That's
kids.
true, that's true.
So that is what is happening with K. Now, we also have the most controversial Kangana Ranaut.
उसके बारे में तो कोई न्यूज़ होनी ही होनी है, boss.
You know, but actually people hate her guts, but I actually love her guts.
Really? You do?
I do, because how many people
Tush,
are
tush.
there? No, how many people are there who will actually tell you on your face that, hey, dude, you know, you're doing wrong?
That's right.
Everyone
that's right.
wants to be very diplomatic and keep good books and don't want to burn bridges. But I'm like, dude, if you're wrong, you're wrong.
लेकिन ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही वो नहीं
Yes,
है,
she
like
does a little too
थोड़ा
much.
नाटक आंटी.
Yeah, she does a little too much, but I guess that's what she is known for, you know,
Right,
being
right.
outburst, you know, brutally honest.
Right.
So she has, thanks to her, you know, honesty, she has permanently been suspended from the Twitter account.
Oh wow!
Not only temporarily, but permanently. Oh, really? Okay. But there are many people who have actually are happy about it, and they've told her to
Like
please
me?
take her. Yes, and they've told her please take your boldness in some other platform and not in this, because you know many people use Twitter for, you know, viewers and good thoughts and, you know,
Right.
everything else.
Right.
But Kangana, being Kangana, she's like, well, you know, I have other platforms, you know, that I can actually, you know, talk in, and also she said that she's going to do more of films based on reality films.
Oh.
So she said that is how I'll, you know, take up my voice. So that's what she has decided.
Okay. So that's up with Kangana, but
Yes.
hopefully they can revert that. I don't know if they would, but hopefully.
No, I think they have given her a lot of chances. They have given her a lot, and they said that this is it. You know, we've given you a lot of chances. No more. You're done. So they've permanently suspended her.
Okay.
Now, if in future, if it opens, we're not sure.
Okay.
But for now, though, she's done. Definitely want to talk about what's going on in our COVID world. There are a lot of people suffering in our COVID world, and India especially. Heart out to all of you people. Hope you all are doing good. But where there is bad, there's also good.
Right.
So our celebs are taken.
And actually, this is the time that all the celebs, the rich people, need to use their resources to
Yes,
help the people
absolutely.
who don't have that kind of resources.
True.
And can actually help each other that way. Basically, that's what I want to.
Yeah, try to see how much you can help, because everyone is helping out, you know. And yes, they have the money and they have the resources, and that's what they're doing. So much as, you know, Ravina Tandon. Now she has not only helped through her Rudra Foundation, where she has actually she's donated 100 oxygen cylinders, but she's also with her NGO, she's actually transporting 300 oxygen cylinders to the people who are needy in Delhi.
Oh wow!
You know, it's amazing how people go out and help. And these people, it's not like, you know, they have someone else do it, but they're also hands-on with their team members.
Yes.
You know, which
yes.
is absolutely great. You know, talking about Ravina Tandon, we also have the famous Sonu Sood. I mean, who doesn't like
Sonu
Sonu
Sood ने
Sood?
तो बहुत किया है, and like we've seen that ever since COVID started. But before that, you know, I want to say welcome to everybody, even watching us on our Facebook Live. Ashok Uncle, welcome. Mom, welcome. Radha ji, welcome. Melvina, welcome. And हमारे हीरो, हम सबके हीरो, मेरे तो हीरो हैं, सुशील, welcome.
Hi, Sushil. I'm missing you.
I know. आज the show here is a little different because दोनों Sushil and Sandeep are busy. So of course, my bestie Charu stepped in, or Charu is not unknown to Namaste Radio. So of course,
you.
yes.
But I'm here to support Sushil and Shri Devi, okay?
Oh my God.
I had to see your face.
चारू को निकालो यहाँ से नहीं But yeah, on that note, let's get into our second song, Charu.
Absolutely.
So that way, we can come back and talk more about our Bollywood world.
Celebs helping, yes.
And also, I wanted Charu to share something new. She's been up to something new these days. So let's hear what she's been up to. But इससे पहले ये गाना सुनते हैं.
चले जब तू लटक मटक लौंडो के दिल पटक पटक सांसें जाए अटक अटक आता माझी सटक सटक बम तेरा गोते खाए कमर पे तेरी बटरफ्लाई बॉडी तेरी मक्खन जैसे खाने में बस तू बटर खाए कम ऑन बेबी किक इट काटू तेरी टिकट टिकट खेलता नहीं क्रिकेट विकेट पर ले लूं तेरी विकेट विकेट
বড় লোকের পিটিলো লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেন্দা
Wind the body
বড় লোকের পিটিলো লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেন্দা ফুল
सांवला सा रंग तेरा बावला सा ढंग तेरा मुझसे चोरी चोरी बातें करे अंग अंग तेरा तेरे लिए कुछ भी कर लूंगा तेरी मैं हर लूंगा कोई भी पीड़ा पागल हुआ तेरे पीछे जैसे दिमाग में कीड़ा लगे मीठी जैसे शक्कर शक्कर आजा चला ले चक्कर चक्कर बाकी के लौंडे पकड़ पकड़ आई एम द बैरेस्ट मतफ
हार्ट बीट मिसिंग जब
Not hearing that.
I was hoping you would.
But yeah, welcome back. You are listening to Namaste Radio. And why did you dedicate this song to one of our mothers? Tell me, please.
Because it's just so beautiful. I'm sure the mothers would like to feel beautiful too.
है ना लंबा लंबा
lamba lamba hair. And then I don't know the rest of the lyrics.
wordings. But yes, you are tuned into Namaste Radio. And मैं हूँ वंशिका और आज मेरे साथ हैं मुझे क्या बोलते हैं को मेरे साथ जर्नी में मेरे को हिंदी वर्ड ना ऑफ हो गया सॉरी आई एंड समटाइम्स व्हेन यू मिक्स योर इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी becomes a total disaster. So yeah, मेरे साथ है चारू and this part of the show is brought to you by Bob's Lounge and Grill located here in Hillcroft. The best place to relax, meet up your friends. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese, Goan dishes, music, lots of music, and they do have some DJ specials, like DJ's gonna be there. You can listen to live music, lot of masti for Mother's Day tomorrow. So located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. The number is 832-310-8440. bobsloungeandgrill.com and definitely like them on Facebook and Instagram. So Charu,
Yes, ma'am.
apparently you've been up to something.
I have been extremely busy from the past year.
What have you been up to?
You know, I have started baking for my kids' school for last year in December. I had a friend who does royal icing cookies, and I was so intrigued. I said, let me go learn from her. She offered. So I went and learned, and oh my gosh, I was hooked on to those things. So I started making cookies for the kids for, end of year Christmas last year.
So you started with like a passion, like hobby.
I just started as a hobby. I just wanted to give something different to the teachers rather than buying gift cards or doing something. I just wanted to be creative. And I started baking cookies. And those hit off so well that I got calls and messages saying I want to buy, and I'm like, dude, I'm not selling, because that was not the intention.
Right.
And sure enough, when I got the fourth call, I'm like, let me give it a try. And it picked up, touch wood, it picked up, and I have been baking personalized cookies, cakes, cupcakes, hot chocolate bombs, keto.
Oh my god. Yeah, so I have tried her keto bomb and
the fat bombs.
Oh my god. I like to call them the keto bomb because when you call them the fat bomb, it's like
it's the keto.
नहीं मुझे और मोटा नहीं होना है. But yes, they were amazing, and everything you've been doing, more power to you. So what's the name? Where can they, order, follow you? Tell us about it.
The name of the business is Dolce Treats. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook called Dolce Treats Texas or just Dolce Treats. Look it up, like and follow. If you have requests, just hit me up.
एंड मैं लाइव एक रिव्यू दे मतलब बता रही हूँ आपको. इट्स अमेजिंग. एवरीथिंग दैट आई हैव ट्राइड, इट्स अमेजिंग. सो या, डेफिनेटली गो फॉलो Dolce Treats ऑन Facebook and Instagram. And on that note, we'll take our first ad break. And we will be back very soon. बहुत सारी बॉलीवुड की खबरें हैं, तो प्लीज 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 stay tuned.
Namaste Radio
on 99.5 FM.
Gotta get it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present you Habibi Kitchen, the most delicious Mediterranean cuisine in the heart of Sugarland.
Habibi Kitchen brings very tasty food that will give your taste buds a cultural experience. Prepared with fresh ingredients every day. All options available: non-veg, veg, and even vegan.
Beautiful outdoor seating in our covered patio. Visit Habibi Kitchen today. Located at 16227 Lexington Boulevard. Call 832-999-4161. That's 832-999-4161. Or visit HabibiKitchen.com.
Follow Habibi Kitchen on Facebook for specials. And don't forget to mention Namaste Radio.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugarland, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. और साथ में music भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
With spring comes a new season, new life, and a new hope for these uncertain times. Spread love, joy, and delicious Allings food. Whether at your office, home, or with us here, Allings spreads the cheer. Dine-in, pickup, or DoorDash, an exquisite meal from Allings today. Halal menu available? Visit allingschinese.com.
Welcome to India House Houston. India House is a non-profit organization that serves the community by bringing resources, education, and services to Houstonians like health and fitness programs, language classes, charity clinic, and various events. Help the community now. Sponsor a program or volunteer for free food distribution at India House. Host your next indoor or outdoor events at India House facility, parties, weddings, or corporate events. Located centrally at 8888 West Belford, Houston. For details, call 713-929-1900 or visit indiahouseinc.org. Follow India House Houston on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
వింటూ ఉండండి మీ ఇష్టమైన మ్యూజిక్ ఛానల్ నమస్తే రేడియో.
Uttapama. I still don't know what it is, but I just try.
Those dolls, those dolls.
Yeah, right. Oh, Meena Bazaar.
Yes.
Right, yeah. I mean, I know, but I don't know what is it. What is the real word?
Buttabama. B.
Oh, Buttabama.
Yes, Bama's doll.
Oh, I see. So that jingle was made by Charu. अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं सुना तो here you go again.
వింటూ ఉండండి మీ ఇష్టమైన మ్యూజిక్ ఛానల్ నమస్తే రేడియో. I love this song. Thank you.
Absolutely. And you are listening to Namaste Radio. Welcome back after our first ad break. And this part of the show is brought to you by our favorite salon in Katy, Classy Diva Salon and Spa. And for the month of May, and for Mother's Day, and for Eid, Ruby has planned amazing specials. मैंने जाके वो गिफ्ट कार्ड खरीद लिया है. आप भी जाइए और आप गिफ्ट कार्ड खरीद सकते हैं. $50 का बंडल गिफ्ट कार्ड है फॉर ईद एंड मदर्स डे. यू कैन यूज इट थ्रू आउट द मंथ. It includes a facial, face polish, eyebrow threading. So that's a good value. और अगर आपको ये बंडल भी नहीं खरीदना है, आप any Tuesday जाएं और gold facial in the month of May करा सकते हैं only for $30.
And you got it done, didn't you? You said
I got
you loved
the ultrasonic facial done last month. I will be going at the end of May for my gold facial. But yeah, you can buy this gift card even now. Just call Ruby, get it done. 281-646-0100 are the best ways to follow Classy Diva Salon and Spa on Facebook and Instagram. That's right. So, Charu, break se pehle we were talking about Bollywood.
Yes.
And we were talking about COVID, you know. बॉलीवुड में क्योंकि इंडिया में आजकल कोविड के वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा हाल है, बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा है. सो बॉलीवुड में एंड वी वर सेइंग दीज पीपल आर यूजिंग देयर मनी, फेम, सोशल मीडिया
contacts,
पावर,
everything
to put this together. So you'd mention about some celebrities. Tell us about what other celebrities are doing.
So everyone knows about how good Sonu Sood is in terms of charity. So Sonu Sood has actually overnight, people had called him for SOS and he had arranged cylinders for 19 patients. Total were 20, but out of them 1 or 2 died. So, but 15 cylinders was what he arranged for overnight, and he helped 19 people survive. So that's awesome. If you can use your sources to help people, there's nothing like it.
Yeah.
And
you should, right? Agar aapke paas hai wo sources, so this is the time.
This is the time, yes. Yeah. And even Ajay Devgan did not step back when he had to do it. He opened a facility where he had actually arranged 20 beds for COVID patients.
Oh, wow.
So, you know, guys, if you have sources, you know, use them. There's a real good information we'll be giving towards the end of the show also. But it is great. And of course, let's not forget about our Bhai Saab, our Salman Bhai.
Oh, I was like, Bhai Saab, kaun se Bhai? Salman Bhai, of course.
So, Salman Khan has actually directly transferred a certain set of amount to 40,000 working employees of his film workers.
Wow.
That's amazing. And also he has given them 1 month of ration, the food, you know. And he has also gone out and had personally supervised people packing meals, you know, for medical equipment, oxygen cylinders, and unprivileged workers and frontline workers. He has donated food and made sure that it was, you know, done in a most hygienic setting.
Oh, wow. Wonderful.
You know?
Wonderful.
So at this time where, you know, people are doing good, equally people are, you know, even abusing the system by taking so much of money to give these resources that can be given out for free.
That's right.
You know,
absolutely.
so people please have a little bit of humanity and, you know, help people. This is the time we have to come together.
Absolutely. Right? And क्योंकि आपने सलमान खान की बात करी, and this is Mother's Day special episode, so I know my mom and my mother-in-law, and she just tuned in. So good time, mommy, all the way from India. इन्हें ये बहुत पसंद है. मेरी मम्मी बोलती चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, चाहे उसके बारे में कोई कुछ भी बोले, लेकिन सलमान खान जब स्क्रीन में आता है ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
So let's dedicate the song to Suman auntie and to Neera auntie.
Absolutely. This one is for you, mommies.
जुबां है फीकी शाम से हुई ना तो से बात भी, बिना मैं तेरे बेमजा हुआ हूँ देखो इश्के दी चाशनी ओ मिठी मिठी चाशनी मैं न मांगूंगा रूप धीमी धीमी मैं न मांगू चांदनी मेरे जीने में तुझसे हो इश्के दी चाशनी ओ मिठी मिठी चाशनी
Mithi mithi chashni. You know what chashni is?
Isn't it just sugar?
Yeah, it's the sugar syrup.
Okay.
So banja tu meri mithi mithi chashni. I wonder who talks like that.
I know.
Like seriously. If Sushil had to say that to me, banja tu mithi mithi chashni. Ooh, okay. But I like the song, and of course.
No, we're just telling our mothers that they're very sweet as sugar syrup.
Yes. Absolutely. Moms are the best. So, Charu, going forward, और क्या खबरें हैं बॉलीवुड की?
Well, we are going to touch base with with Jacqueline Fernandez. Jacqueline Fernandez has set up a foundation called You Only Live Once. YOLO.
YOLO.
Right? Yeah, I was not sure how it was going to be called. I was like, YOLO. So she'll be providing 1 lakh meals through this foundation to people who are in for animals. Actually, it's not for people, but it's an initiative to help animals.
Oh wow! Even better.
Yes, and also along with this, they are also going to be taking care of distributing masks and sanitizing supplies to frontline workers, and to the police force who are always working on this thing.
Absolutely.
So people are doing different causes, and I'm happy that it's just not humans, but they're looking after everything else as a whole, which we tend to forget at times. So that's amazing. That's amazing work. And with all this COVID thing, we've also heard about Deepika's family in Bangalore.
Oh yes,
actually
and Bangalore is actually going into a lockdown. I actually reached out to a lot of my friends in Bangalore, and it was crazy when I heard all the stories that they had to share. मेरे घर में इसको भी हो गया, उसको हो गया, मुझे हुआ last month, and things like that.
Every
they were
third
telling
person
me.
is catching it.
So 10th May to 24th May, Bangalore is going to be on 100% lockdown. Now that's my city, okay? That's my city, and it's not doing good. And all my prayers are going out to Bangalore. I grew up in Bangalore, so I'm a very proud Bangalorean.
I understand.
And Namma Bengaluru is the best.
I hope my husband is not listening to this.
I know he's a Hyderabadi. So yes, to everybody in Bangalore, lockdown is starting.
Yes, please be safe.
14 days,
follow the protocol. If you can contain it, then the faster we can come out of it. So all the best, India, including Bangalore, and everybody in every other state. So Deepika's parents and the sister has been, positive, have been contracted with COVID. The news has that Deepika has it also, but we're not sure. It is still have to be confirmed. And so with Shilpa Shetty. Shilpa Shetty has been
her
negative.
entire family was positive,
exactly.
and she's negative.
And she's
right,
negative.
right.
So that's good. She does have 2 in-house maids who also have it. So
and sometimes, I think I have been thinking is one of the main reasons in India is because most of them, I would say, are very much dependent on the house help. Compared to here, we have them limited. Some people have them every day, of course, and they have lots of them. But the majority of our population here is not used to every day and 5 house helps and things like how it is in India.
In India, correct.
So zyada fail raha hai because when someone's traveling outside your house, inside your house, it's
the interaction with others are more.
Absolutely.
Yes. So please be safe. Everybody. This is, you never know how you're going to catch it.
Yep. And there was something about Lucky Ali.
Oh my gosh, have you heard?
I was like, इसको तो बेचारे को COVID नहीं, इसको तो मार ही दिया लोगों ने.
Oh my gosh. So there's been a hoax saying that Lucky Ali is dead. He had COVID and he died. And oh my gosh, it was scary. And I was like, what are you talking about? So sure enough, no, Lucky Ali is definitely alive and kicking. His best friend, Nafisa
I like that,
Ali.
and kicking.
I mean, hats off to this guy. He is amazing. His best friend Nafisa Ali has confirmed saying that, dude, I talk to this guy 2-3 times a day. So no, he is not dead. He is alive.
He's alive.
So it's good to know, Lucky Ali sir. We love your music. I love your music.
And he's from Bangalore.
Okay, and you're from Bangalore. Yay!
And on that note, actually, like we've been talking about Mother's Day, मुझे याद आया इससे पहले मैं भूल जाऊं. कल मदर्स डे है.
Yes, absolutely.
So एक जगह आपको जरूर जाना है, which is Arling's Chinese Cuisine. And you know, these guys have been doing so much for the community, so much for everybody out there. चाहे जब से कोविड शुरू हुआ है, and now जब इंडिया के लिए they put together an entire day, which was on Thursday, 100% of their sales went to Seva International, which will be giving out that to India, and they raised quite a lot of money. I'm sure you can go to their page and see the amount of money they've raised.
And they're constantly doing good causes.
Yes, raised. So they are. And tomorrow, and that's why I say go support them, so that when they're doing this good deed, you know, they can keep doing this. Correct. Yes. So tomorrow at Arling's Chinese Cuisine, आपकी moms को special feel कराने के लिए, या आप अगर खुद भी mom हैं, they have created a special drink, a complimentary drink to all moms called the Mom Teenie.
Oh, how nice.
And of course, a very special complimentary dessert. So you start with the complimentary drink and you end with the complimentary dessert. So definitely go take your moms out there. Or if your wife, it's her first Mother's Day, for the people listening out there, take your mom.
Yes, it doesn't matter if it's a human or it's an animal, you're still a mother.
Absolutely. So Arling's Chinese, located at Highway 19, Highway 6, 6542 Highway 90, 281-242-0432. आप उन्हें Facebook, Instagram में follow करिए, and ज़रूर कल mothers को उधर लेके जाके special feel कराइए. And क्योंकि आपने लकी अली के बारे में बात किया था,
yes,
I want to play this most amazing song while we were growing up, you know, and बहुत यादें हैं. My brother plays amazing guitar, and you know, बचपन में ये याद थी. My brother would play this on his guitar, my mom would sing, and I would sing. So I know my mom loves it, and she has
fond memories.
Fond memories. So this goes out to all those memories, and of course all the mothers out there जो ये गाना I'm sure सब पसंद करते हैं.
Namaste Radio is electric. Makes you want to move. It makes you want to groove. Keep it locked here. Namaste Radio.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है. हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 8324669868. गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701 पे. डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे. तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 8324669868. जय श्री गणेश.
गणपति नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa would like to wish you a very happy Eid and happy Mother's Day. Come celebrate with us with a gift bundle. Get any facial, face polish, and eyebrow threading for just $50. Gift certificates are also available. Don't forget to try our Gold Facial for just $30 only on Tuesdays in the month of May.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 12 noon to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog. Different kind of unlimited items on the menu every day. All safety guidelines are being followed.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes bhi available hain. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty. Only at Maharaja Bhog.
The COVID crisis in India leaves the Houston community fearful for family and friends. India's need for oxygen is critical right now. It is literally the difference between life and death. Sewa International is organizing the shipment of oxygen concentrators to hospitals and essential kits to families, orphanages, and old age homes across major cities in India. Please donate at sewausa.org. For details, call Meera Kapoor 281-796-8455.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. और साथ में music भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
दुनिया में दो तरह के लोग होते हैं, विनर्स एंड लूजर्स। लेकिन जिंदगी हर लूजर को वो एक मौका जरूर देती है जिसमें वो विनर बन सकता है।
This is Namaste Radio.
This is Namaste Radio. हम आते हैं हर सैटरडे सुबह 10 बजे। मैं हूं वंशिका और आज मेरे साथ हैं चारू। और क्या हम दीप और सुशील को मिस कर रहे हैं?
No.
लेकिन
Yes,
हाँ,
yes.
कहीं ना कहीं मिस जरूर कर रहे हैं, बट दे आर एट देयर ड्यूटीज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देयर स्टाफ। तो आज हम दोनों आप सबको एंटरटेन कर रहे हैं। एंड ऑफ कोर्स मदर्स डे है एंड ईद आने वाली है, तो खुशियों का टाइम ज़रूर है। एंड इस स्पेशल ओकेजन पे हबीबी किचन ने आप सबके लिए एक स्पेशल तैयार रखा है। सो जाइए एंड टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस अमेजिंग डील फॉर मदर्स डे एंड ईद at Habibi Kitchen, which is valid till May 13th. Buy one, get one free, and their number is 832-999-4161. Habibi Kitchen, buy one, get one free till May 13th. आप जा सकते हैं 13 मई तक and take advantage of this buy one get one free deal. उधर चिकन पॉकेट पीटा है, फलाफल फ्लैट ब्रेड है, राइस प्लैटर है, फलाफल पॉकेट पीटा है. इट्स अमेजिंग अमेजिंग एंड डेफिनेटली फॉलो देम ऑन फेसबुक एंड इंस्टाग्राम. सो चारू, आगे बढ़ते हैं अपने ये यू नो कैन यू बिलीव पहला 1 आवर खत्म होने भी वाला है.
Doesn't it feel like it?
है ना?
You've been having too much of fun.
Exactly. When you have fun, time का पता ही नहीं चलता. So, before we move on to our next segment, which is a little bit about news, there was something quickly you wanted to share about Bollywood, some postponement jo ho gaya tha.
Yes, we were looking at because there are so many movies that I'm looking forward to watching, but because they had such superstar cast, we have Farhan Akhtar, we have John Abraham, we have Amitabh Bachchan and Imran Hashmi, Akshay Kumar, and also Saif Ali Khan, Rani Mukherjee, and even Rana Duggapati. So all these star casts, we are waiting so much, but there are so many movies that have been postponed. I'm going to list them pretty fast. We have Tufan, who is starring Farhan Akhtar, and all of these have been cancelled or postponed due to COVID. We have Satyameva Jayate Part 2 of John Abraham. We have Chehre, starring Amitabh Bachchan and Imran Hashmi. So this is something, yes, I know. I'm kind of very eager to watch this. The other one is we have Suryavanshi, which is a sequel.
Which is like kind of a sequel, but it's like Singham, Simba, Suryavanshi.
Yes, different names, but on the same platform.
Yes.
So that is starring
and
actually Katrina
काफी
Kaif.
time हो गया है, काफी time.
It has. They were looking forward to release it on
last year April. Yes.
But it's going to postpone again. For the second time. And then we were talking about YRF, has pushed his movie delay for Bubbly and Bunty 2.
Oh, Bunty or Bubbly?
Bunty or Bubbly.
Okay, and you said this second part mein there's
you have Saif Ali Khan and you have Rani Mukherjee.
Oh wow, so it's like a Hum Tum in Bunty or Bubbly. That would be nice. First one had Abhishek Bachchan.
Exactly. So I'm trying to I like to see how their chemistry works again in this one.
Absolutely. Oh, I loved Hum Tum.
Yes, it was beautiful. And then we have Hati Mere Saathi, who is we have Rana and we have Pulkit Sharma.
Pulkit Samrat. Yes. The Fukre and all that
yes,
guy, right?
Yes. So they are doing it in Telugu and Tamil, along with Hindi as well. And this has postponed too.
Okay.
So they seem to be like all of them seems to be very.
I'm
very
glad
good.
they are postponing it. Yes. But at the same time, I would prefer if they did something like Radhe, because I don't know ye kab tak chalta rahega. So Radhe is like how they're releasing it on on Eid, but even on, I think it's on that social
Prime,
I need you Prime? I don't know Prime,
on some other platform,
one of the
as well.
streaming platforms. So it's good,
It's good, but you know what? The best part about Radhe is that Salman Khan has agreed to give a part of the revenue generated towards COVID. So please go and watch, although it looks like he's been dancing as if he's got earthquake under his foot.
Don't get me started, please. Allu Arjun, I'm sorry again. And thanks to Charu. Charu ke wajah se मेरी जिंदगी में Allu Arjun की introduction हुआ. But yes, that was another topic.
Song, but it was amazing. I mean, good work on giving helping the COVID people during that movie release. So that's good.
And before we wrap up our Bollywood segment and move into our first song of this segment, I want to wish this very special actor a very 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 happy birthday because 16th May को इनका बर्थडे है और इनका नाम है विक्की कौशल.
Look at that face of yours. Oh my goodness.
I like to tease Sushil, but I don't know if he's tuned in even now. But yes, it is Vicky Kaushal's birthday next week. So yeah, happy birthday, Vicky.
Vicky Kaushal. And also I want to say, my parents from India are listening to me. So Daddy and Mom and my sister, thank you so much for tuning in. I know it's late for you guys in India, but thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Uncle, Auntie and Muni Pedama.
Yes, please be safe. Be careful, and I love you.
I love you too. And in that note, ये बहुत ही soothing सा गाना to all the mummies again out there. Woo!
पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, जीवन मीठी प्यास रहती हो पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो
है ना बढ़िया सॉन्ग पल पल दिल
Very
के
nice.
पास फ्रॉम द मूवी ब्लैकमेल एंड इसमें यू नो कौन है धर्मेंद्र एंड राखी
Oh, nice.
एंड रिसेंटली एक्चुअली पता नहीं ये सिलसिला कैसे शुरू हुआ शायद माई मॉम स्टार्टेड वॉचिंग ओल्ड मूवीज एंड शी जस्ट टोल्ड सुशील अबाउट इट सो he has been watching all these old movies and making me watch but thanks to him I watched this movie Blackmail it was nice,
Really nice.
and कितनी सुंदर लगी है राखी
Beautiful.
and कितने handsome लगे हैं धर्मेंद्र
Oh my
man that was the real you know Bollywood looks seriously but आगे बढ़ते हैं and this part of the show is brought to you by India Herald because we will be talking about some local news some world news and India Herald is our partner when it comes to news. So india-herald.com or follow them on Facebook, India Herald. So पहली क्या news है चारू?
You know, since we're talking about Mother's Day, I want to say that I hats off to this mother who actually, this mother is a transplant surgeon in Baylor's College of Medicine.
Oh.
And she has allowed her 17, I'm going to repeat again, sorry, it is 16-month-old son, he's a toddler, to participate in the Baylor College of Medicine for Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine for children under age 2.
Oh my God.
Hats off. I mean, honestly, I would be petrified.
I would be petrified too because, you know, and that's where, you know, doctors come in. It's their belief.
And she's done her research, she said. So she
and
was
in a
very
way,
confident.
it's a sacrifice. If something happens,
absolutely.
it's her sacrifice
It's a
that because of
sacrifice.
that, all the other kids will be taking the benefit.
Yes.
You know?
So thank you so much to all the doctors and everybody, not only doctors, but the nurses, the healthcare people, you know, including Sushil, you know, for all that you guys do. It's amazing. So hats off and thank you so much for doing this.
Absolutely.
And the second thing I want to talk about is that we've all know that how everything has been postponed, you know, so the Olympics has been, you know, postponed too.
Right.
So the relay that happens every year, this time in Japan, in Tokyo, it has been postponed. And it was supposed to be done by a 118-year-old, you know, person called Kane Tanaka. So that has been postponed too because of the outbreak. So I hope we all kind of, you know, work together and try to get this thing out so that we all can, you know, normalize our lives again.
Absolutely. And you know, अगर कुछ चीज़ पोस्टपोन हो रही है तो अच्छे के लिए हो रही है.
Absolutely.
Is because अभी पोस्टपोन करेंगे सब
We can
safe रहेंगे,
recover
then we
faster.
can recover faster.
Absolutely.
That's right. So yeah, moving forward with the news, there was another news that I was reading about, and this is to do with the General Motors, GM. They are going to be investing, and hear this, $1 billion in Mexico for electric vehicle production.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
So a lot of work, job opportunities for people in Mexico.
Yes.
So this is a good thing. And the plant is going to be in Mexico. And the facility will begin producing at least by 2023. So just a year. So, you know, ab tak construction sab hona, sab shuru ho jayega. And this was announced by their vice president.
That's awesome.
So, yeah. So GM, you'll be
I mean,
seeing a
good
lot of
for that.
electric vehicles over there.
Yes, absolutely. We need them.
Absolutely, because here we have another person who, you know,
A Tesla
drives
lover.
electric vehicle. Now, talking about Macy's, when was the last time you went to Macy's, Charu?
Oh my gosh, I think it was before COVID.
It's like...
Shame on me, but before COVID.
No. I have not been to Macy's either.
Oh, really?
Can you believe it? I would... So, the Sugarland First Colony Mall, even if I've been to the mall, I would park there, walk through Macy's, but not bought in Macy's.
Oh no, my husband shops only in Macy's. That's his shop.
Oh,
so we have to go to Macy's for him.
Wonderful. But Macy's is permanently closing about 45 locations. लेकिन कोई डरने की बात नहीं है क्योंकि Houston के locations इसमें मुझे दिखे नहीं.
Oh, I have the locations that are going to be closed.
In Houston,
Yes.
only College Station was the one I thought. Do you have
so
anything else?
Texas stores expected to close include. So we have like when I'm talking not in Houston, I'm talking about Texas.
Yes,
not Houston.
No,
so
I was only talking about Houston.
Okay, I was talking about Texas.
You're right. San Antonio में है, but Houston के सबसे पास जो Macy's है
Houston
वो
is
है
safe. We
College
have
Station.
nothing. Yes. So we are safe in Houston, but in Texas there are 4 locations. If you want me to tell them, I'll tell them real quick, or we can list it later.
We can list it later. Let's move forward to the biggest news that happened this week, the big announcement, जो social media में दोनों ने बड़े subtly आके बस डाल दिया और उसके बाद the world went on a frenzy. I am talking about Bill Gates and Melinda Gates. And who would think that after all these years and the perfect couple that they are, sometimes their cause, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation जो है, ये जो कॉज के लिए वो लोग इतने टाइम से काम कर रहे हैं, सो वी थिंक लाइफ इज परफेक्ट, ये लोग इतना कर रहे हैं, पर इंटरनली क्या चलता है किसी को कुछ पता नहीं. सो दे केम एंड दे शेयर्ड द सेम एग्जैक्ट पोस्ट ऑन देयर सोशल मीडिया एंड दे आर कॉलिंग इट क्विट्स विद देयर 27, is it?
Yes, 27
years of marriage. And they will continue working together in the foundation for the world, but as husband and wife, they won't continue that relationship.
But you have to give it up for them only because they have actually stayed together to keep their kids safe until the younger one is in high school. So it is a very, amicable, way of separating.
That's true.
So that's good. It's not nasty.
A thought process has been.
Correct.
And plus, बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा involved है. You don't want it to be nasty.
Well, I'm not looking at that aspect. I'm just thinking as a parent, they have thought about their children and they're doing it clean and nicely for them,
Absolutely.
Because it affects them as well, totally.
Absolutely. And this part of the show is brought to you by Pradeep Sulhan PC. एंड अगर आपको अभी टैक्स के सीजन में कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, आप इन्हें कॉल करें. दे आर सर्टिफाइड पब्लिक अकाउंटेंट, ओवर 25 years एक्सपीरियंस. आपको ऑडिटर रिव्यूज़ है, अकाउंटिंग सर्विसेज, टैक्स कुछ भी हो, टैक्स स्ट्रैटेजीज एंड कंसल्टिंग हो, कंपनी फॉर्मेशन हो, जस्ट कॉल देम 281-580-8700. And before we take that top of the hour ad break, I really want to play this song going out to all the mommies out there.
गाता रहे मेरा दिल,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल,
गाता रहे मेरा दिल, तू ही मेरी कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन, कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन.
गाता रहे मेरा दिल, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है. कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन, कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन.
गाता रहे मेरा दिल.
Surgically enhanced to sound louder, better, bigger, because size really does matter. And everything's bigger in Texas.
99.5 FM K258BZ Sugarland and 99.5 FM K258DA Houston. Radio Dabang is powered by Discount Power. Go to discountpowertx.com today. Leave Dabang. The views and opinions expressed on the following program are those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of RD Broadcasting LLC, Radio Dabang 99.5 FM, or its affiliates. Individual programmers are responsible for their own content. If you have concerns regarding the following programming, please send an email to info@radiodabang.com.
Namaste Radio
on 99.5 FM.
Gotta get it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present you Habibi Kitchen, the most delicious Mediterranean cuisine in the heart of Sugarland.
Habibi Kitchen brings very tasty food that will give your taste buds a cultural experience. Prepared with fresh ingredients every day. All options available: non-veg, veg, and even vegan.
Beautiful outdoor seating in our covered patio. Visit Habibi Kitchen today, located at 16227 Lexington Boulevard. Call 832-999-4161. That's 832-999-4161. Or visit habibikitchen.com.
Follow Habibi Kitchen on Facebook for specials. And don't forget to mention Namaste Radio.
With spring comes a new season, new life, and a new hope for these uncertain times. Spread love, joy, and delicious Allings food. Whether at your office, home, or with us here, Allings spreads the cheer. Dine in, pick up, or DoorDash an exquisite meal from Allings today. Halal menu available? Visit allingschinese.com.
Welcome to India House Houston. India House is a non-profit organization that serves the community by bringing resources, education, and services to Houstonians like health and fitness programs, language classes, charity clinic, and various events. Help the community now. Sponsor a program or volunteer for free food distribution at India House. Host your next indoor or outdoor events at India House facility, parties, weddings, or corporate events. Located centrally at 8888 West Belford, Houston. For details, call 713-929-1900 or visit indiahouseinc.org. Follow India House Houston on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa would like to wish you a very happy Eid and happy Mother's Day. Come celebrate with us with a gift bundle. Get any facial, face polish, and eyebrow threading for just $50. Gift certificates are also available. Don't forget to try our Gold Facial for just $30 only on Tuesdays in the month of May.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday.
970.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese, and Goan dishes. और साथ में music भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
The COVID crisis in India leaves the Houston community fearful for family and friends. India's need for oxygen is critical right now. It is literally the difference between life and death. Sewa International is organizing the shipment of oxygen concentrators to hospitals and essential kits to families, orphanages, and old age homes across major cities in India. Please donate at sewausa.org. For details, call Meera Kapoor, 281-796-8455.
You are listening to Namaste Radio. Namaste Radio. हाँ जी
तो नाचो आज छम 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 मैं नाचो आज छम छम छम
जी हाँ, you are listening to Namaste Radio.
हाँ जी.
हाँ जी.
हाँ जी. So cute.
It is cute. Welcome to everyone who has tuned in. हम आते हैं हर Saturday. ये हमारे आज के शो का सेकेंड आवर है एंड मैं हूँ वंशिका और मेरे साथ हैं चारू. I'm trying to make it very exciting.
Exciting.
So इस सेगमेंट में हम अपना सबसे फेवरेट स्टफ करेंगे where we got to interact with our callers because it is the giveaway segment. But before that, let me remind everybody about this place where ये अपनी mommies को ले जाके, you know, they can always celebrate their Mother's Day over there. And I am talking about Maharaja Bhog, located at 8338 Southwest Freeway, 59 और Gessner के intersection पे. And you can call them for details for, you know, different kind of thalis that they have, क्या specials चल रहे हैं. And also अगर आपको catering करानी है तो live catering, you know, they'll be more than happy to help you out over there. The number to call is 713-771-2464. बहुत ही बढ़िया प्योर वेजिटेरियन खाना है. हर रोज़ डिफरेंट मेन्यू होता है. अमेजिंग प्रीमियम वेज थाली. सो ह्यूस्टन, आर यू रेडी फॉर गिव-अवे राइट नाउ ऑन नमस्ते रेडियो? ये है $20 का आर्लिंग्स चाइनीज कुजीन का गिव-अवे.
Wow, that's amazing.
हम लोग जाके आर्लिंग्स में खा के आते हैं. Right?
I want to go to Habibi Kitchen too. You know, I love Mediterranean food.
Yes, so we'll go to Habibi Kitchen.
And then we'll
go to
we'll do restaurant hopping.
Then we'll go to Maharaja Bhog. We'll go to all these places very soon. So yes, talking about Arling's Chinese, कल उनके यहाँ again mom teeny है, complimentary drink. And complimentary dessert है, तो अपनी मम्मियों को लेके जाइए और मदर्स डे मनाइए, ट्रीट देम. और आज का जो गिव अवे है वो ये है कि हम मदर्स डे के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो मदर्स डे ही स्पेशल है. एंड वो गिव अवे जो आज का है वो ये है कि आप हमें कॉल करके, ओके, कॉल अस और व्हाट्सएप अस फॉर श्योर, एंड गिव अस, हाउ मेनी डू यू वांट, 2 or 3? 2?
I would do 3.
3?
Just because it's Mother's Day special.
Oh my God. Okay. No, 3 giveaway, or how many do you want each caller to give me? 2 names,
Oh, the
right?
answers. Yes.
2 combinations.
Yes, but we haven't spoken about the combination, so
Yes.
I didn't know. Okay.
So 2 combinations.
2. Let's
Okay.
do 2.
So we will be giving out 3 gift certificates. तो आपको क्या करना है, हमें कॉल या व्हाट्सएप करके कोई भी 2 ऐसे माँ और उनके बच्चों के बारे में बताना है जो बॉलीवुड में काफ़ी फेमस एक्टर या एक्ट्रेसेस हैं. ऑफ कोर्स माएँ, और उसके बाद उनकी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, चाहे उनका बच्चा हो या. Do you have an example for us, Charu?
I will, and I will give you the most famous. We have Babita with Karishma Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor.
Absolutely. So
and
that's
this cannot
one,
be used.
No, that's one जोड़ी already use, you know, ये जोड़ी नहीं कर सकते. And I think हम already कोई listener है, लेकिन मैंने तो नंबर दिया नहीं, लेकिन उन्हें already
They
पता
already
है.
saved it. That's awesome.
But yes, you can call us at 713-974-4000 and
3 zeros. 4000.
Yes, 713-974-4000. Call me or WhatsApp me. Give me any 2 mother and kid की जोड़ी जो बॉलीवुड में, you know,
they are actually working together. Yes, they are not working together, but they are in the industry.
Yes, and you will win a $20 gift certificate. So let me start taking these people on air. Hello, you're on air.
Yes, hi.
Hi, who's calling?
My name is Meera.
Hi, Meera, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
So, आपके पास हैं कोई ऐसी 2 जोड़ियां मदर एंड किड्स की जो बॉलीवुड में you know, काम कर चुके हैं और फेमस हैं?
Right. It's very simple actually. Tanuja and Kajol and Jaya Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan.
Absolutely. I'm glad you didn't say Jaya Bachchan and Amitabh Bachchan. But yes.
Yeah, I was about to, and I'm like, Bachchan. Because technically, उन दोनों का नाम ही साथ में आता है. And then I'm like, okay, wait, no, that's Abhishek.
जहाँ जया है वहाँ अमिताभ है, जहाँ अमिताभ है वहाँ जया है.
Congratulations,
so yes, Meera. Congratulations, आप जीत चुके हैं. So we have 2 जोड़ीज. All you got to do, Meera, is send me your full name and phone number to Namaste Radio's Facebook page.
Perfect.
Thank you.
So much.
You're on air. Hello, who's this?
Hello, this is Aisha.
Hi, Aisha. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good, good. Thank you for calling Namaste Radio. Do you have the jodis for me?
Ritik Roshan and his father Rakesh Roshan.
Kya baat hai. I like it. Absolutely.
Very
Rakesh
good.
Roshan and Ritik Roshan. And what's the other one?
Sonam Kapoor and her father Anil Kapoor.
Oh, my favorite.
So
Anil Kapoor.
That's correct too.
Awesome.
And this is actually supposed to be a Mother's Day, but we'll give it to you. We'll give it to you. We were looking for only moms, but no, we'll give it to you. No, you're fine. We'll give it to you. And just send me your full name, Aisha, and your phone number to Namaste Radio's Facebook page.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And yes, those were the correct ones. And we still have one more.
Come on,
maybe
listeners,
two
it's
more.
very easy.
And आप हमें कॉल करके बताइए, लेकिन इस बार I want only the moms and उनके बच्चे of Bollywood. And तब तक हम ये गाना सुनते हैं. And congratulations to Meera and
Aisha.
सपना मेरा सच हो गया कभी मैं कहूँ कभी तुम कहो कि मैंने तुम्हें ये दिल दे दिया
कभी मैं सुनूं कभी तुम सुनो कि मैंने तुम्हें ये दिल दे दिया
कभी मैं कहूँ कभी तुम कहो कि मैंने तुम्हें ये दिल दे दिया
कि मैंने तुझे आलिंग्स का गिफ्ट कार्ड दिया. So yeah, let's get into our other caller. एक हमारे कॉलर हमें कॉल कर रहे हैं. देखते हैं कि जो ये क्विज है हमारे पास इनके पास इसका आंसर है या नहीं. बट मुझे मॉम चाहिए और उनके बच्चे जो भी बॉलीवुड में.
Yes.
Hello, you're on air.
Yes, I have two names.
Yes, and what's your name?
Jigisha Modi.
Hi.
Hi. I have two moms. One is Sridevi and Janvi Kapoor.
क्या बात है, हमने गाना ही बजाया तो हम सोच रहे थे कोई तो कॉल करके बताओ. हम आपको इतना बड़ा हिंट दे रहे हैं.
And Neetu Singh and Ranbir Kapoor.
That is correct too. So congratulations, Jigisha, and please send me a message to Namaste Radio's Facebook page. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you for participating.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So yes, this is Namaste Radio, and
we have one more to give.
Yes, one more. If they want, please keep calling. The lines are going to be open for the next 5 minutes. तो हम बात कर रहे हैं मदर्स डे की. कोई और ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन है चारू दैट यू वांट टू शेयर जो इन सब लोगों ने अभी तक शेयर नहीं किया है?
I'm going to share what Suman Aunty has shared with us.
Okay.
And that is Hema Malini and Isha Deol.
Oh, yes. अरे congratulations mom. आपको मिलता है
बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार.
आलिंग्स चाइनीज का.
हम लोग यूज करेंगे आंटी सिंस यू आर नॉट हियर.
हाँ, हम लोग चले जाएंगे आलिंग्स. हमारा जाना होता नहीं वैसे आलिंग्स. But yes, it's I'm happy, you know, when people call in and participate. It makes you feel happy about it.
We have one more caller.
Absolutely. Let's
we
take
have a final caller.
So 4th caller, and you can't repeat anything that has been
said already.
Yes. So you are on air. Who's this?
This is Stephanie.
Hi, Stephanie.
Hi. I have two pairs.
Okay.
Amrita Singh and Soha Ali Khan.
That's
and
correct.
Then I have Dimple Kabadi and Sprinkle Khanna.
Absolutely correct.
Congratulations.
Stephanie. Congratulations. And do you watch a lot of Bollywood movies, seems like?
I do, yes.
You do?
I'm Pakistani, so I do watch a lot of Bollywood movies.
And how many, what's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie, it's a lot of them, but I can name one. I like a lot of Bollywood movies.
Okay.
Who's your favorite actor or actress?
Of course, Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh, of course. I like her confidence and the way she said,
She's saying
of course, Shah Rukh Khan.
She's even pronouncing it them well.
Exactly.
And who's the actress?
Ranveer Singh and of course Deepika.
Of course.
I love them a lot.
Awesome. You have all the power-packed couples.
Absolutely. So thank you again, Stephanie, for participating and calling us. Please send us your full name and number at Namaste Radio Facebook page.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you everyone for participating. Those were our 4 winners. Jigisha, Meera, Aisha, Stephanie. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Message me on Namaste Radio's Facebook page with your full name and phone number, and you will get the gift certificate
from Arling's.
Arling's Chinese $20 का gift certificate. बहुत कुछ खाया जा सकता है.
Yes, absolutely.
So अगले गाने की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, which is another old classic. हम सबका favorite.
हवा के साथ साथ
अरे रे रे
घटा के संग संग
संभालना
हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग ओ साथी चल
तू मुझे लेके साथ चल तू यूं ही दिन रात चल तू संभल मेरे साथ चल तू ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू ओ साथी चल
तू मुझे लेके साथ चल तू यूं ही दिन रात चल तू संभल मेरे साथ चल तू ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू तो साथी चल एक तो ये मौसम है बड़ा सुहाना ला 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 एक तो ये मौसम है बड़ा सुहाना पे अपना दिल भी है दीवाना
से आके ना टकरा जाना तू बन के बादल ओ साथी चल
मुझे लेके साथ चल तू यूं ही दिन रात चल तू संभल मेरे साथ चल तू ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू
ओ साथी चल. Absolutely. ये इसमें this was from a सीता और गीता movie, right? हेमा मालिनी. Right? Yeah.
Yes.
If I'm wrong, please correct me, people. I think it was Sita and Geeta. And इसके साथ हम दोनों साथी आगे अपने अगले सेगमेंट में पहुंचते हैं. एंड उस सेगमेंट में पहुंचने से पहले मैं सबको याद दिला दूं जिनसे हमने लास्ट वीक बात करी थी, डॉक्टर नम्रता शर्मा गोयल से के बारे में एट किडनी हेल्थ सेंटर विद ओवर 15 years of experience and expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis. She is the doctor for you. She's a kidney specialist, a nephrologist with so many years of experience. They accept all insurances, Medicare, Medicaid, and 3 convenient location है उनकी Sugarland, Medical Houston and West Houston areas में. So डॉक्टर नम्रता शर्मा गोयल से अगर आप मिलना चाहते हैं, उनका अपॉइंटमेंट लेना चाहते हैं, कॉल करिए 713-520-6875. She's very knowledgeable, and every time I talk to her, she has so much to share, and especially during this time of COVID she's come forward and helped so many people.
I love listening to her interviews.
Yes, I love.
She gives
her
a lot of
interview.
advice.
Absolutely. So let's get into this ad break, and we will be back very soon. And right now we will talk to Kavita Tiwari from Seva International, and hear what is happening and what kind of that tremendous help that they're doing right now for India.
Namaste Radio
on 99.5 FM.
Gotta get it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present you Habibi Kitchen, the most delicious Mediterranean cuisine in the heart of Sugarland.
Habibi Kitchen brings very tasty food that will give your taste buds a cultural experience. Prepared with fresh ingredients every day. All options available: non-veg, veg, and even vegan.
Beautiful outdoor seating in our covered patio. Visit Habibi Kitchen today, located at 16227 Lexington Boulevard. Call 832-999-4161. That's 832-999-4161. Or visit habibikitchen.com.
Follow Habibi Kitchen on Facebook for specials. And don't forget to mention Namaste Radio.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugarland, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. और साथ में music भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
कोई बात नहीं सेन्योरिटा, कोई बात नहीं. बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं.
You're listening to Namaste Radio.
जी हाँ, you are listening to Namaste Radio. और अब हम उस पड़ाव पे आ चुके हैं जहाँ पे जो मेरा फेवरेट part of the show होता है, where I get to talk to an organization that's doing so much for our community, where I get to talk to this community member who shares with us all this information. And with me today I have that special person. But उससे पहले मैं उनकी organization के बारे में आपको बताऊं. Seva International is a 501c3 Hindu faith-based charitable non-profit that works in the areas of disaster recovery, education and development. Seva has 43 chapters across the USA and serves regardless of race, color, religion, sex, age, disability or national origin. तो मेरे साथ हैं सेवा इंटरनेशनल से Kavita Tiwari, the Executive Director of Seva International Houston. Hello, Kavita. Welcome to Namaste Radio.
Hi, Vanchika. Thank you for having me over. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. सबसे पहले तो thank you आपको कि आपने इतने busy schedule से ये time निकाला हमसे बात करने के लिए, हमारे listeners के साथ ये सारी details share करने के लिए. And thank you to you and everybody at Seva for doing this amazing work that आप लोग करते ही जाते हैं and unfortunately इतने time से कुछ ना कुछ होते जा रहा है हमारी इस दुनिया में कि सेवा has stepped up so much and so congratulations पहले तो आप सबकी इस spirit के लिए.
Thank you, Vanchika. And I think हमारा tagline says it all. Our tagline is together we serve better.
जी.
So it's not me, it's you, everybody else who has ever believed in Seva, donated their time, money and volunteered with us. So ये सब के लिए एक बड़ा mission है at Seva to do what we do.
Absolutely. And अभी इंडिया में जो हालत है, इंडिया में इतना कोविड से इतने लोगों को अफेक्ट हो गया है और आपका जो ये इनिशिएटिव है हेल्प इंडिया डिफीट कोविड-19 कैंपेन, उसके बारे में प्लीज टेल अस द गोल इट स्टार्टेड एंड वेयर इट हैज रीच्ड. टेल अस अबाउट दैट.
Sure. So Vanchika, when this I remember the first conversation I had in the internal team was 17th of April. और सेवा तो grassroots organization है. So we hear a lot of things from the community, and that's how our programs and our initiatives are shaped, right? So I started getting a lot of calls from a lot of people in Houston and outside of Houston who know Seva and who know Seva's work about family members needing oxygen or family members falling really sick. They are here, their elderly parents are in India and they don't know how to support them. So they reached out to Seva because Seva has global presence in so many countries, and we have 10 staff members that work on Seva International payroll in India. So we manage those development projects from there. So knowing that, people started reaching out. Gravity of the situation started hitting home to a lot of us. Personally, my brother-in-law in Kanpur, he was on ventilator and oxygen support. So, सबके अंदर एक बहुत there was this eagerness to do how can we help, right? And that's how the Facebook initiative and fundraiser and like Help India during this COVID upsurge started. Initially, we had the goal of 200,000. That's what we thought. We did not know this would go this big, or the need on the ground would become so humongous. Because within a span of 2 weeks, India recorded more than 3 million cases.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. And every day is just increasing and increasing.
Correct. 400,000 plus cases every single day. So it went from 0 to 10 really quick. And as the situation got evolved, everybody I know, every single person I know knows someone who either got affected or their friends got affected. So it's not something that is happening across the pond. It's something that is hitting home very, very close to all of us. So result उसका वही हुआ कि जैसे ही हमने campaign शुरू किया, we reached more than $1 million, I think, within one day, over one weekend. And then as the team started ramping up in India, we started getting information about what the need was. So the government of India was reaching out to non-profit partners across the world. They were reaching out to people in Australia, America, everywhere, trying to procure certain things because they were seeing a need in the community in India where they would need help with specific equipment and specific medications. So the cry for help was coming already. And when we were trying to connect the health ministry or the department of, departments back home dealing with all this, we also realized that there was an opportunity for us to step in and do our bit, right?
Right.
And that's how we put down a plan to procure oxygen concentrators, CPAP machines, BPAP machines, ventilators, medications like remdesivir, also anticoagulants, steroids, which were just disappearing away from the Indian market. Not because they were not being there, but because people were so scared that they were hoarding them.
Right.
So suddenly somebody went out and bought, for example, 100 vials of remdesivir. Now there is a supply crunch, right? And then the prices were driven up so drastically that it was just unaffordable for so many people. So in order to do the most help, we put together a very strong team here. The request to get information on these things came from the consulate in Atlanta. So we set up a situation room in Atlanta. Currently, there are 10 people working day and night in that situation room. A couple of our volunteers from Pennsylvania and Philly, they have taken time off for 2 weeks or 3 weeks so they can just sit in the situation room and tackle this. Immediately when we heard that this has happened, even before we raised a single dollar, Seva USA appropriated money to buy 400 concentrators. Each of these cost around $500, right?
I see.
So right away, before the fundraiser was off, we were already working behind the scenes to set up a supply chain. At present, Vanchika, just to give you some numbers, approximately 4,500 oxygen concentrators have been procured. And most of them have been shipped. Now, just to give you a perspective, the country of, for example, in Ireland, and I think 4,000. So what Seva is doing is sometimes more than what some countries have put together for India at this point.
Wow.
Another 4,500 on their way. Some have reached the final mile, which is in the hospitals.
Mhm.
Another 1,200 have been ordered just this past week. We have already shipped 256 co-ventilators, which is a device just before a person is put onto ventilator. So it's a transition.
Mhm.
And we have also found suppliers in India. So we are working with a supplier in India where we have ordered 200 from this plant in Chennai, Tamil Nadu area.
Mhm.
And because the distance is not much, they can get on the ground really quick, right?
Right.
So time is of the essence. We do not want to do something which is not going to be helpful in the immediate. So we have a plan to do a 360-degree approach to this problem.
Mhm.
Initially help with all that we can upfront, which is saving lives in the near term. But of course, things like, oximeters,
Yeah.
they have disappeared from Indian market. So we are shipping more than 200,000 oximeters because if people have oximeters in their homes, they will not run to the hospital. And
Yeah.
So the overcrowding that you're seeing in the televisions, all these news shows, which is harrowing for us, is people waiting outside.
Yes.
Some of them don't need to be there.
Yes,
Some of them
yes.
need to be there, but others can probably manage their situation better at home with proning and the right medications at home itself, right?
Right,
So
absolutely.
really-
And people if like you said, if they are not there, and everything hospital already is not getting full because of the not so emergency,
Urgent cases,
the
yeah.
urgent people, then it's better that the people who really need the help, they get care first, and then the hospitals are not overwhelmed basically.
Yeah, that's what the approach is.
Mhm.
Vanchika, we have already set up 143 isolation centers in different cities.
Oh,
So 143 cities where we have isolation centers. So in India, imagine you have a joint family and one person is sick. They would not know where to send the other people or how to send that person away to an isolation place so the rest of the family doesn't fall sick.
Yes.
This time, what everybody is saying, and Indian Council of Medical Research is also saying that if one person falls sick, everybody is falling sick because this is a very virulent and contagious strain of the virus.
Mm-hmm.
In the first round, when India was, for example, people had COVID cases, one person was sick, others in the family were not falling sick. So because this is a more contagious kind, we identified isolation centers as a way of containing all this to just that one sick person and not everybody in the family getting the virus. So in 143 different cities with partners, we have these isolation centers which are going to be provided with all the needed oxygen, oximeters, medications to make sure that there is some support for the medical system. Not everybody is, again, overwhelming the system. And one thing that we are doing is we are getting military-grade oxygen, these manufacturing centers, right?
Mm-hmm.
So these military-grade oxygen generators are going to be up within, I think, 2 weeks. And these military-grade oxygen generators can fill 1,000 of these oxygen cylinders at one time.
Oh, wow.
So-
Okay.
Yeah, so this is like creating sustainable solutions because there is a very strong suspicion that India will get another wave
Oh,
of
my God. Mhm.
virus. So they're already talking about wave 3 because there's so much infection in the community and a lot of people are not being tested and they are like, asymptomatic carriers and
Right.
their virus is probably mutating more
Mhm.
and it might have another round of thing coming. So the next time around, we are not in the same situation that people are dying because of lack of oxygen.
So preparing
setting up-
ahead of time is the key here right now.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And we cannot defeat this virus if we are playing catch up all the time.
Absolutely.
We
Oh,
all
yeah.
have learned here. We have seen what happened to America. And
Mhm.
the American healthcare system is the best in the world. We are the richest nation in the world. And we still have the highest number of dead people in the entire world.
Yes.
Now imagine that problem 4 times over in India because we have the biggest number of people.
Yes.
If India, imagine there's 6 feet, there's a joke going on social media that if India does 6 feet distancing, the people in India will end up in different continents. Like there's so many people, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So unless there is preventative care, so the one thing that we really want to focus when this is all contained is to vaccinate every single person. So currently we are running vaccination camps in rural areas in Uttarakhand and also in Bangalore area. So vaccination is again, and a lot of people, a lot of non-profits and a lot of corporate America and the universities and thought leaders have partnered with us to make it happen.
Absolutely. Local people, everybody, like you said, you started the campaign, people came forward, donated, your local businesses, local authorities, everybody has partnered with Seva International. And, really hats off to everybody involved and for all the hard work that y'all are doing to take care of the situation now and for also preparing for everything, in the future. We don't want it, but at the same time, it's better safe to be sorry. Thank you so much, Kavita, for sharing all of that. One thing I definitely want to ask you is, how can people, for my listeners on air, how can people donate directly and be a part of this? And, kai baar hota hai that we don't know where to donate. So, please tell us the details for that.
So, Vanchika, there are several ways. One of these, the most popular platforms where Seva is garnering a lot of support is the Facebook page campaign. We are Seva International USA. That's our Facebook ID.
Okay.
So if you go Seva International USA, you will be hitting our Facebook page, and that's the big thing that's happening there. We've raised around $7 million plus within, I would say, 10 days on Facebook.
Wow.
More than 100,000 donors have given on Facebook.
Wow.
So 100K new people, like past followers, individuals, not just from America, but across the continent. Because if you're on Facebook, you can donate from anywhere. Your listeners, for example, in Australia can say, that makes sense to me. I want to help some way. I know that help might not get to my own relative or my own family, but someone's life will be saved. And that, I think, is the higher purpose here.
Absolutely.
That, for example, I can't send something to my brother-in-law directly in India, but I know whatever I donate can help somebody.
Yes.
Someone.
Yes.
Some life, right?
Yes.
So that's one way. The other way, of course, is to go on our Seva International USA website, Seva www.sevausa.org. There is an ongoing campaign on the landing page. You cannot miss it. There's a big donate button. That you can go on that and donate as well. That will take you to India COVID Relief Project as one of the drop-down menu options. There are other ways to donate. We are running, our youth volunteers are running a campaign on givebutter.com/Seva.
Okay.
That's givebutter.com/Seva. So you go there, you can donate in any amount, $10. And our young people on Instagram have been running that campaign for, again, the same amount of time, roughly 10 days. They've raised $132,000 just on that platform. And these are young students from college, right?
Yeah.
Who will just give you $2, $3. So if I go and see how many people, then again, almost 50,000 people have donated.
Yes,
just
and
a single
every
dollar.
dollar matters. Yes, yes.
Exactly. So there are various ways. I'm happy to share with you more information. You can send a check to our PO Box address, which is again available on our website. You can also PayPal us the money. The information is again on the website, but I'm happy to share that with you if you want to share on your Facebook and other platforms.
Sure.
That's something that we can do, yeah.
We would love to do that, definitely. And like Kavita said, all these different ways you can be a part of it, you can donate. And, Seva International USA, definitely follow them on Facebook for all their different initiatives, all the things that, they have, the campaigns, definitely follow. Thank you so much, Kavita, for coming on air and talking to us and sharing all this information. More power to you and more power to everyone who's helping out at this point, and mainly to Seva International. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Appreciate this time, Vanchika.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
That was Kavita Tiwari from Seva International, and doing a lot of work out there for in India right now. And she shared a lot of information. You can listen to this again on our Facebook Live. We will be back after this short ad break. Stay tuned. Stay there. Don't change that dial. Don't leave that Facebook Live. We'll be right back.
Working from home? Cooking in the kitchen? Working out? Or just need something to listen to at home? Now listen to Namaste Radio on Amazon Alexa products. Hey Alexa, enable Namaste Radio Live.
Now playing Modern Indian Radio by Namaste Radio.
That's right. Listen to us anywhere in the world on Amazon Alexa products.
The COVID crisis in India leaves the Houston community fearful for family and friends. India's need for oxygen is critical right now. It is literally the difference between life and death. Seva International is organizing the shipment of oxygen concentrators to hospitals and essential kits to families, orphanages, and old age homes across major cities in India. Please donate at sevausa.org. For details, call Meera Kapoor 281-796-8455.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. और साथ में music भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa would like to wish you a very happy Eid and happy Mother's Day. Come celebrate with us with a gift bundle. Get any facial, face polish, and eyebrow threading for just $50. Gift certificates are also available. Don't forget to try our Gold Facial for just $30 only on Tuesdays in the month of May.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 12 noon to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Welcome to India House Houston. India House is a non-profit organization that serves the community by bringing resources, education, and services to Houstonians like health and fitness programs, language classes, charity clinic, and various events. Help the community now. Sponsor a program or volunteer for free food distribution at India House. Host your next indoor or outdoor events at India House facility, parties, weddings, or corporate events. Located centrally at 8888 West Belford, Houston. For details, call 713-929-1900 or visit indiahouseinc.org. Follow India House Houston on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. स्वागत है आपका. सुनते रहिए नमस्ते रेडियो.
जी हाँ, स्वागत है आपका. सुनते रहिए नमस्ते रेडियो. मैं हूँ वंशिका और मेरे साथ हैं चारू. Charu, it's the last segment of our show right here. Already, I know.
Gosh, but a lovely interview with Kavita ji.
Oh, yes,
Very good
and
information.
so much they are doing. You know, I'm in awe of what Seva is doing. And like I always say, more power to them. And, definitely follow Seva International.
Yes.
USA on Facebook. I want to talk about this upcoming event, which is being organized by Indo-American Conservatives of Texas, IACT. They are inviting you for a luncheon reception with Congressman Troy Nehls. So आइए his first 100 days in Congress and उनसे बातें करिए, जानिए. For details, you can visit IACT IACTX.org. I will repeat that, IACTX.org. Or call Radha, the president, Radha Dikshit, at 281-546-3686. Or Mr. Ramesh Cherivirala at 713-875-4336. Now, this event is on Saturday, May 22nd, 2 हफ्ते बाद 11 से 1 बजे at India House. So a luncheon with Congressman Troy Nehls, knowing about his first 100 days in Congress, and it is on May 22nd, organized by Indo-American Conservatives of Texas. So let's get into our first song quickly, and then we will be back.
Yes.
With
some more information. That was from Sing is King. I know another favorite of both my mom and me. So कल एक बहुत स्पेशल डे है क्योंकि हम सबकी ज़िंदगी में माँ का जो एक रोल होता है बहुत स्पेशल होता है. I have always been a very daddy's girl, but I'll tell you one thing. I think this part of my life, I've become very close to my mom. Not that I'm not close to my dad, but I'm close to my mom too. So I want to wish my mom a very, very, very happy Mother's Day, and I want to wish my mother-in-law very happy Mother's Day. आप दोनों हमारे लाइफ में बहुत important हैं, हम आपसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. And to all the mothers, and I want to wish you, Charu, you play a very important role in my life. So happy Mother's Day to you. Thank you so much.
माँ मैं आपको कहती नहीं हूँ, लेकिन आप माँ से कम का रोल भी मेरे लाइफ में प्ले नहीं करती हो.
And I have a habit of mothering people, but no, happy Mother's Day to both aunties, Suman auntie and Neera auntie, and also my mother. Happy Mother's Day. And for all the mothers who do, a whole lot. And as you said, I was a daddy's girl too.
Mm-hmm.
But once you get married, you automatically shift. No, you don't shift your love, but you add in more love for your mother because that lady version is always needed.
It's needed. For me, it's like bartan dhote, my mom will be doing her bartan, I'll be doing my bartan here. And then it's like, baat kare, my dad will walk in, kya baat kare? Pata nahi.
Yeah, exactly. There's so much of, yes, your bond just grows soon after marriage. I don't know why, but it has definitely, blossomed for me and my mom too.
Yes,
and I tell people that it's not only for mothers, but it's that person in your life. It could be your grandmother. I know for my husband, it was his, Amama, his mother's mother, that played a very
Nani.
important role.
Mm-hmm.
So happy Mother's Day to, my mother-in-law, Jyoti Atama. Happy Mother's Day to you. And also, like anybody who has helped, it could be an aunt, could be, that one person in your life who has helped you mold your life or helped you. So to anybody who's influenced your life as a mother,
because
happy
mother is
Mother's
not
Day.
a biological mother alone.
It's not even for you.
Yeah.
I mean, it's your first Mother's Day too for a 4-leg. So, happy
Yes.
Mother's Day. How do you feel?
I don't know how I feel for the Mother's Day part of it, but I think I'll be honest. I think this is the best phase of life, and it's touch wood. Yeah, we feel really blessed that we have our Simba in our life, and I want to thank you. We have him only because of you.
Oh.
If you had not pushed me, and I had not pushed Sushil,
Domino effect.
Yeah, वो नहीं होता. And thank you so much.
No, I fell in love with
and
Simba
actually,
the minute I saw him.
This entire year. So he turns 1 tomorrow.
Oh, happy birthday, Simba.
So ये पूरा साल has been a blessing and is the best and the most beautiful part. And I actually have a song for him because this is how I feel about him.
Oh, that's awesome.
And
let's hear it.
I know not in this birth, but probably कभी ना कभी वो मेरी ये बात समझेगा और मुझे वापस कभी मम्मी बोलेगा. So this is for him.
To Simba.
I feel love when I look into your eyes. I believe if you move out from my side, I'll be losing grip on you, grip on you. देखो करीब से मिले हैं नसीब से, आएगा पल ये फिर कहाँ। आज अचानक तुमसे मिले हम, ये तो नहीं है बेवजह। पूछो जरा इस दिल से, हम हैं मिले मुश्किल से, कल फिर ना हो हम जो यहाँ। गजब का है दिन, सोचो जरा ये दीवानापन, देखो जरा। तुम हो अकेले, हम भी अकेले, मजा आ रहा है कसम से, कसम से।
Absolutely. Actually, every day, I'm just so emotional at this point.
It's for everybody. It's for everybody loving their little ones, no matter who they are. You spend so much of quality time, so continue loving them. I feel Vanshika's emotions. I know everyone loves this song, so please hold that special person in your life just for tomorrow and every day of your life, just not for tomorrow, but just love them unconditionally.
Absolutely.
So I need to change your mood a little bit. There is this compliment we have to talk.
I just want to say that he brings so much love and happiness in our life that
very unconditional.
It is so unconditional. It is.
Yes.
So yeah, love you, Simba, and happy birthday to you, beta.
Happy birthday, Simba. So I need to tell you about this compliment I received, and I'm going to read it out. It is from my devilish friend called Kavita Rochlani.
Oh.
She is a masti-core. When I say masti-core, oh my God, she's like the life of our party. So she says that she tried calling you, by the way, 2 times, not knowing the line for the studio.
Oh.
But she says sorry about that. And she said, you guys are a great duo. Vanshika and Charu, you guys are doing great. Continue the great work.
Thank you so much,
Thank you, Kavita. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to you. Thank you so much for tuning in and for listening and for that compliment. Thank you so much.
Yes.
And with this, actually, it's a wrap up for our show. Charu, I loved doing this show with you. And thank you so much for stepping in and doing this with me.
Yes.
I just enjoyed it. जाने से पहले बस मैं सबको याद दिला दूं, कल Mother's Day है तो आप Arlings जाइए. They have their special mom teenie, the complimentary dessert, and visit Classy Diva Salon and Spa. You will. They have their specials going on. Mother's Day deal, $50 gift card you can buy, or the Tuesday facial, gold facial. And, just follow these people on Facebook, Instagram, Classy Diva Salon and Spa. They will take good care of you. Thank you so much. We will be back on Monday for our special mental health awareness show. This time I will be talking to 3 youth.
Oh, nice.
3 Indian youth, and asking them about what is mental health to them, the pressures, the peer pressure, the inside,
the emotions and everything,
and the outside peer pressure that they have. So tune in. 99.5 FM Facebook Live, Namaste Radio, India House Houston Facebook Live. I want to thank India House Houston for giving us this opportunity. So Monday at noon से 1 बजे तक 1 घंटे we will be having that special show. But thank you everyone for tuning in today. And again, a very, very, very happy Mother's Day to everyone. And happy Mother's Day, Charu.
Thank you. To everyone, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to you too, Vanshika.
Thank you.
And to all the ladies and all the special people out there, to listen to the Monday show. It is a very, very good show for my health awareness show. I had listened to it last week. I loved it.
And thank you for calling that time.
Yes, absolutely. It is important that everybody shares their point. And there's just no shame. It's only talking about it. We're just sharing thoughts. So have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy your time with your little kiddos and your husbands or spouse, partners, whatever. Have a great day and thank you as always for tuning in to Namaste Radio.
साथ में वेंसडे को ईद आने वाली है, तो वेंसडे है या थर्सडे है, तो आप सबको, हमारे सारे लिसनर्स, व्यूअर्स, आप सब जो ईद मनाएंगे बड़ी धूमधाम से, ईद मुबारक. And Charu, you're making that biryani for me, right?
Yes, and Shahi Tukda.
Ooh. That just went on air, so now you live up to that. So, but Charu makes amazing food. So thank you so much, Charu, for all the love again.
Thank you so much.
And
Enjoyed it.
again, Happy Mother's Day and Eid Mubarak to everyone. We will see you next week. Sunte rahiye Namaste Radio on our apps 24/7 on namasteradiohouston.com. या आप Alexa को बोल दीजिए, hey Alexa, play Namaste Radio live. And follow us on Facebook and Instagram Namaste Radio. And if you have any feedback, अगर आपको चारू और मेरा ये शो अच्छा लगा, बुरा लगा, जो भी feedback है, I hope अच्छा लगा हो, जरूर बताइए on Namaste Radio's Facebook page.
Yes.
Thank you and Namaste.
Namaste. Peace out.